just got back from a quick road trip where Frankie and I visited Cades Cove in the Great Smoky Mountains. I had been reading about all the bear activity that's been going on this year, and this visit did not disappoint. I counted 8 bear, 6 turkeys, and 2 deer. That's the most ever for me. It was a good, although totally impromptu trip. I throwed clothes in a bag and took off with no plans made ahead of time, and that's unusual for me. That's what I call flying by the seat of your pants. But it's nice to change up your routine from time to time. But now I'm back home, and the garden chores are calling. Potatoes still need to be dug, squash and cucumbers need to be picked, peppers need to be picked. So I'm going to be busy in the garden for several days. And I'm going to make a dish called beef stroganoff that should pair well with these vegetables. Let's put this dish together. I pulled all my ingredients together and laid them out on the bar. I'll put the recipe in the description box of this video, but I'll call it out real quick too. I had 2 pounds of ground chuck, a diced onion, 1 diced bell pepper, a teaspoon of minced garlic, 6 tablespoons of butter, 6 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 3 cups of beef broth, and 1.5 cups of that I used a packet of Lipton onion soup mix instead of broth. Mixed it with water, and then the other 1.5 cups was beef broth. 2 cups of sour cream, 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, salt and pepper to taste, and I served it over egg noodles, but you can also serve it over rice or toast. As you can see, I browned my ground beef a little bit before adding my onions and bell pepper and garlic. I wanted to have a little bit of crunch in the sauce, so I didn't add it at the beginning. Now to make the sauce, you'll see 6 tablespoons of butter go in, then 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. You'll see 1.5 cups of Lipton onion soup mix mixed in water, and then 1.5 cups of broth will go in. And then I salted and peppered, I think, a little bit to taste. Now, in goes the 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup and then 2 cups of sour cream. Oh, I don't think I mentioned it before, but I also had 2 small containers of mushrooms that I added to mine. You can see I'm just cooking them in a little bit of butter. And rather than mixing them in the sauce, I'm going to serve them over the sauce. And there it is, served over a bed of egg noodles and paired with fresh veggies from the garden.
Or she does.
I told her you'd probably go pretty frequent if you keep her short.
If I keep it.
She wants to go back with me so she can get hers done. Hey, we need to go see if that's a sycamore. Where the road grader gets it.
GoPro. Stop recording.
That man says it's across the road.
I need to fight to maintain my faith. Don't allow others to distract me or impact my faith. Fight to continue to believe when the world around me tells me to doubt. Now let me be a doer of the word. I just need to. Yeah, I got that not covered yet, but I ain't had time to. That's the ones I'm gonna look at.
Put her back.
Is that on Papa's Roller?
Yep.
I was looking at
Somebody gonna
something.
fix her fuel line. She ain't gonna be able to.
I was looking at some stuff on his phone. He got, when we said that last night, he was looking at Margie. And, there's one of them, I must have had his phone, but him and Shar had James. James, that is a degree. Either way is fine.
Well, look. You gonna give it a taste? Tell me if it's Shar approved.
You gonna taste it?
Is it good? Give me a thumbs up.